Hi, I'm Rick from Belgium, and we are here for our first lesson, French for Beginners.
Yeah, French. I'm Christy. I live in New Brunswick. New Brunswick is the only bilingual province in Canada. So French will be helpful. And this is day one. This is also a trial.
Okay, and what would you like to say today? Is there a word or a phrase? Let's start with words.
Yeah, like how do I say my name is Christy?
Your name is Christy. My name, uh, they don't say it like that. They say, I am called Christy. And so that translates into Je m'appelle Christy.
Je m'appelle Christy.
That's pretty decent for first try, I must admit. I know from the past you have
I'll
done
try again. I'll try again.
um,
Je m'appelle
je,
Christy.
je. It's more like you tout like a duck face. Je.
Je.
Uh, I don't see a duck face.
Je. It's
Je.
difficult.
Yes,
Je.
French is difficult. I will say that to everybody that tries to learn it. It's not
Je.
easy language. Je. Yes. Je. Ma.
Je m'appelle
M'appelle.
Christy.
Elle.
M'appelle.
Yes.
Je m'appelle Christy.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's how you say I am called Christy. I'll
I
say
am.
it again.
Yeah.
Je m'appelle Christy.
Yes, that's great. Perfect.
That's great. So